If you could imagine a dream machine, this one is pretty darn close for me. I love vehicles with dual-natured personalities, and the upcoming Porsche 911 Dakar is just that. Porsche has taken a 992 911 and transformed it into a machine that pays homage to the automaker's rally history in a modern way, and it's just awesome. Porsche will unveil the specs on this thing during the upcoming LA Auto Show. I can't wait to hear them because the 911 Dakar looks fantastic, and the testing process has been extensive. According to Porsche, the test team has logged over 300,000 miles in extreme conditions, and that includes 6,000 miles of off-road driving. Some of that testing involved taking highly modified 911s up the side of a volcano in Chile. These cars were taken to nearly 20,000 feet above sea level, but these specific test cars had the added benefit of portal axles, lower gear ratios, locking diffs, underbody protection, and super aggressive tires. I don't expect those modifications to come to the production spec 911 Dakar, except perhaps some underbody protection. Portal axles would be a wild option to add to the spec sheet though, as that is such a transformative modification. Regardless, the 911 Dakar should be wild right from the jump, and you should jump one if you buy one. The Dakar sits a bit higher than a standard 911. It wears all-terrain tires, and the engine and gearbox tuning should offer some manner of off-road driving mode, perhaps a separate rally mode as well. But it will likely still be a blast on the street too. In fact, with those all-terrain tires, it might even be a bit more fun on a daily basis. The on-road traction limits dip quite a bit compared to the usual performance tires you'd expect to find at each corner. That means a more entertaining level of car movement can happen at lower speeds. Still, it will have all-wheel drive, so you shouldn't get too far over your head. Oddly, I'd love to see a two-wheel drive version though, for true rally-style oversteering shenanigans. Regardless, I look forward to seeing some of these covered in mud, dirt, snow, sludge, and with trail pinstriping. Do I think many owners will do that? No. But it seems like the sort of folks that buy the Safari modified 911s wind up driving them, at least the ones sold by someone like Lee Keen. So maybe there's hope to see the factory-built versions getting the same sort of driving love. And maybe someday I'll be able to afford one of my own. Then I can retain my own personalized plate and swap it over to the 911, right? Well, actually, maybe it should stay with the Montero, seeing as that's the winningest Dakar vehicle of all time. Just a thought.